Hi lovies, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome to the family. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing amazing on this beautiful day. So yes, we're gonna be installing this this unit right here. I'm gonna be showing you details on how I actually achieved this type of look. Without further ado, I don't want to be talking too much. Let's jump right to the video. So for today's video, we're gonna be installing her. Look at how beautiful this bob looks. This is a burgundy reddish bob that I customized myself. This hair came in a 22-inch and I had to trim it down. I have a video on how to customize your wig into a bob. I'm gonna be linking it down below. And you know what guys, I was thinking I wanted to do a bold cap method, but I'm not gonna be doing it. I happen to change my mind just right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just slide this back and then install her, because I plan on having this wig on for a short period of time, probably 3 days, and I'll be just sticking it. Okay, let's continue with the video and let me show you how I install this wig. And hey, I got this wig from AliExpress. Some of you be sleeping on AliExpress, to be honest, but if you find the right vendor and the right hair seller, don't worry, I'm gonna plug you, I'm gonna put you on. Okay, so yeah, keep watching till the end of the video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But hey, let me just go ahead and install the video. I feel like I'm literally talking too much. Okay, I'm gonna be using this Wonderless bond. This is my first time using this bond. Let me know down below how this bond really worked for you. For this installation, you want to make sure that this part is really clean and no oils or anything like that. But before that, go ahead and cornroll your hair backward, or you could choose to do anything, but you want to make sure the hair is out of the way, and you want to make sure your hair is clean, conditioned, and you know, moisturized inside, depending on how long you want to keep the wig on. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this all over. I'm gonna be using a rectal comb. Okay guys, so if you see me looking right here, it's because I'm using a mirror and my phone that I'm recording with is right here and my mirror is right here, so I have to do it regardless. So you want to spray just an appropriate amount. I want to be spraying 3 layers just to make sure the wig ain't going nowhere. You feel me? So I'm gonna be going in with my blow dryer right here. I'm gonna be linking it down below. I got this blow dryer from Amazon, and to be honest, it's been really good to me. So you want to use minimum heat. Don't be using too much heat to like blow your head up, but yeah, minimum heat guys. So you want to make sure this dries up before you apply the second layer to the glue. Layer number 2. after the third layer of spraying the glue, you want to go ahead and make sure the glue is a little bit tacky, and then that is the part where you apply the wig. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And you want to make sure all the flyaways and the baby hairs are out of the way, and then go ahead and install it. I'm using this rectal comb to just press the lace into the glue. And just like that, the lace is on. So we're not done, guys, we're still going. So when you see the lace lift up a little bit like that, don't worry about it. You can still go in again with your glue, spray just a little bit, and then work your way inside like that. Put the glue inside and then press it back on just like that. After installing the wig, you want to make sure you clean the extra glue. You can use cotton pads or you can use paper towel, and then you could put a rubbing alcohol to clean that extra glue off of your forehead. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb the hair backwards just so that we could go ahead and do the baby hairs. I'm not gonna be going for that extra dramatic baby hairs. We're gonna be doing like a simple baby hair look. So yeah, I already trimmed baby hairs out. I already customized the wig. The link is gonna be down below on how I customized the wig, but I customized a different wig. That was a black wig and this is a different wig, but it's all the same. If you wanted me to do a different video on that, just let me know and I'll be sure to do so. Okay, so for the baby hairs, I'm gonna be using this eco styling gel. It's almost done. I need to stock up more, and this is the olive oil styling gel. I'm just gonna be using just a little bit, be applying just a tiny bit and then combing it through. So after I done the baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and use this hair wax to slick the hair down. I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and do the magic. So I'm not gonna be applying a lot, I'm gonna be applying just a little bit, and just over here and then here. And then I'm gonna be going over here and then over here. Just so like the flyaways could disappear and go down. So lovies, this is the end of the video, and this is how the hair turned out. Yes, I went ahead and did my makeup. Okay, so, and I mean, this look is everything. Like, look at this. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched till the end, I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.